Prep Test 67, Game 2, Question 11. If y is fourth and t is first, which of the following must be true? Let's pull up our limited options for this game and take a look at which one applies. So if t is in the first position, we can eliminate option 2. We don't have to consider it. And now let's take a look at options 1 and 3 to see where we can assign y to the fourth position. So let's start with number 1. If we place y right there, right off the bat, we want to be wary of this rule. Okay, p is not in the first place, so v must come before y. Therefore, we better put v there. That takes care of most of our problems. Now we just need to make sure that p is before w. So p, and then it doesn't matter the order that w and z come in at the end. Sure, just like that. Now let's see section 3. And by the way, since this is a must-be-true question, it would probably be worthwhile to make sure that we understand that these guys at the end here, so v and y must be in these positions. P, w, and z don't necessarily have to be, because as long as p comes before w. So what we can basically say is that p, w, and z are interchangeable at the end to some extent. Now down here, if we place y in the fourth spot, same situation. We need v to come before it. And then we have p, w, and z left in the exact same relationship they were in up above. So which must be true? P is greater than or equal to the sixth position. Doesn't have to be true. We already saw where he could be in the fifth position. S is second. Nope, because S could be third down here. V is earlier, is the third position or earlier. That is true in both cases. V is on this side of the line. So this is looking good. W is seventh. Nope, we already talked about how these last ones are somewhat interchangeable. And finally, Z is greater than or equal to sixth. Well, even though it looks like it might be, we've also talked about how these guys are interchangeable. We could have put Z here and then put P and W. So not true. C is the answer we are looking for.